So it's a privilege to be working with an airline that has Airbus coming in, and I am so excited and so happy.
This aircraft coming in, eventually I'd like to see that it does carry on to bigger and brighter things like international flights from NIUGINI'S to places like Cairns and even Brisbane. It'd be a delight to be able to go out to NIUGINI'S and for the business community of Lae, having an aircraft that can take us straight to Australia.
As a student, I think it will be a very, very good solution for us as students, as we've been experiencing most difficult times during our travel back and forth in the school.
New Guinea had its up and downs in the early days, but I'm glad to hear that it has the solid grounds to be able to be involved in not just one new modern aeroplane. I think New Guinea is about 52 years old, and embarking on a number of new domestic and international type aeroplanes is very important for the transport service in Papua New Guinea.
And I wish this airplane direct from here, Tomodachi Airport to Tokyo, or even my home city, Osaka, this side. And not only invited tourists from Japan, but also PNG people can travel to Japan. And also we can export many of our good things in
one country, one family.
I'm very happy and I can't wait to see the A220 aircraft coming into NIUGINI'S. I'm so proud to be part of that and be proud to be part of NIUGINI'S team as well.
Long Lane City, Denim Highway go on top, Long Cold Belly.
We are looking forward to see A220 to be here at NIUGINI'S Tomodachi.
And it's a pleasure, it really is. I mean, I fly business class from Port Moresby to Lae and Lae Port Moresby in the new I think it's a 737, but it's a delight with moving from NIUGINI'S to Port Moresby in these state-of-the-art aircraft that we never dreamt of 50 years ago, but however, and I wish the board well, and I wish the government well with the introduction of this new plane.
You stood up one time.
Welcoming the People's Plane,
People's Balus to our skies
in 2025.